So I want to get new tires on this thing. These tires are okay, but they're kind of sun-warped and cracked and stuff like that. So I'm going to get some new tires. So I just want to take this tire off the wheel. So now that I've got the air out, I need to take the tire off the wheel. So I just got to do this. Whoa! How am I going to get that off of there? So that is a tough deal getting that off of there. Because if you can see right here, if you can see this, I've got cracks in these tires. From sitting out in the sun, these tires are old, tired, and I want them gone. Whether these tires like this or not, they are not staying on there, and I am getting new tires. So you better just freaking buck up and deal with it, because I'm gonna get you off of there. Whew, that made some smoke. Whew, that just made a big smoky mess in here. I'm gonna try my luck at Sawzall now. There you go, folks. So when the tire's pissing you off and it's giving you no choice, you just get out the big tools and take care of her. Get off of there, you freaking piece of crap. There, that's what I think of you, you dumb freaking tire. You're done. So there you go. It's a smoky mess in here, but that thing was pissing me off. So look how flippin' tight these tires are on this wheel. They do not want to come off. Just being super stubborn. And it's on there so flippin' tight, it's ridiculous. Get off there. Dumb thing. Look at that. See that? That's a POS for sure. That. Okay, that was a major headache getting that tire off of there, but it's off. It's just those things are seated on there really dang tight. So now I pretty much know what I need to do in order to get this one off. So there we go. I've got both the back tires off. So the casualty was this other tire. It took me cutting it off with a Sawzall to figure out exactly what I needed to do, how to get it off, but I don't really care because these tires are going away and they will be gone out of my life. I'm gonna clean up these wheels. I've got this stuff right here. This is some oven, grill, and fryer cleaner. This stuff works really good. Okay, so see how dirty that is? Watch this. So see how big of a difference that made? Just a little bit of scrubbing. So I've been sanding this for the past 20 minutes or so just by hand. This piece of sandpaper is kind of getting out all the pitting and any rust that might be on there. But it looks pretty good and it feels good. So I'm just gonna rinse it off. So it looks good other than I need a sanding sponge. There's some rough spots that need to be sanded down here. For the most part, it looks good. So there it is. I got these two. I've been sanding them, cleaning them up. So these are the rear wheels for that John Deere tractor. I've got the front ones to do as well. I'm gonna sand them completely smooth and repaint them to make it look awesome. That is it. Thanks for watching.